good people? Welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. It's your boy, Chef Ray, Mr. Money. We just made it out. I just made it back to camp anyway. I've been out riding this morning. It's about, I think it's almost at 9 a.m. But we're getting ready to cook us some breakfast. Some breakfast, folks. We got the good stuff. We got some bacon, eggs. It's gonna be a top of the line. Made for the king. A big sandwich. This is a big breakfast sandwich. So stick around. This is Jam Pack Cooking. Let's eat. Episode 17. Let's go, people. Voila! Welcome to Camp Jam Pack Cookies. This is the inside. Me, a couple of lanterns, and my boy. Say what's up to Donovan. So, we're getting ready to prepare some good stuff. Danny, you hungry? Yeah? You hungry? I'm hungry. It's about 9 a.m. in the morning. It's breakfast time. Let's get this Sterno 5106 fired up. Yeah, there we go. We're gonna start with some good thick cut bacon. The good stuff. I bought that. We got a few pieces in here. Now I want to show you a trick real quick on this bacon. Let's get this sprayed down. We ain't got time for nothing to be sticking. All right, on the bacon, it's been cured. It's pork bacon, pork belly bacon. We got us some all-purpose flour, a little AP flour. We're gonna put some on this bacon, just a little bit. Y'all know what we going for. You know what we like. The crispification, baby. This AP flour on this bacon, I promise you, this is a good trick a buddy of mine showed me a long time ago. A different level of crispification. On this sandwich, we got to have the crispification, baby. You know your cast iron ready when you see that little smoke kicking up off of it. Just like that. Make sure all the bacon is making contact. Just like that. You want the bacon to make good contact with this. And let it do its thing. We got some pork sausage. We're doing a couple of those. Let the bacon do its thing. Let it render out all the fat. The breakfast patty, cook them just how you like them. They're gonna get a nice crispification on the bottom. Look what I have here. So these here are ribeye steaks, but they minute steaks. You see they've been sliced real thin. They've been sliced real thin. And these are also going on our sandwiches. Hit it with poquito, just a little bit because it's thin. You don't want to overtake the beef. One side also, we just seasoning it up one side. That's SPG, the magic dust. One side with the magic dust and SPG. BigSmokeysBBQ.com for your magic dust. Give it a little rub, make sure everything is nice. Just like that. You see this on the edge, right around here. It's creating a little bit of the crispification. A lot of times when you cook bacon, it'll curl up on you. The fact that we put that AP flour on there is keeping it from doing all that jumping and getting loosened. The wrong things. It's staying right where it's supposed to. So let's see what we got on our sausage. Yeah, that's right. Crispification, just like that on our sausage. Yes, that's what we need. Crispification, baby. I told you, it's not gonna take long on this breakfast sandwich. Enjoying ourselves. Oh, look at the crispification right here. This is what I'm talking about. And you let all this fat render. You're gonna let the fat render off this bacon. It'll keep the sausage from sticking also. It's got the crispy edges and all that. Crispification, good breakfast sausage, still juicy. Let's put that over there with the bacon. We got the mini steaks going on. Literally, it's not gonna take 30 seconds on each side. And this steak might start to curl up on you, but I'm gonna show you a little trick. Boom. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. Look at the steaks. And 30 seconds on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 30. We're done. Let's work on our bread. In this case, it's gonna be French toast. We made up a French toast batter. I'll leave the recipe for that down in the description. Dip your bread into the batter and get it on the flat top griddle. I went out this morning and hit the trails before they got up. Me and my boy Dunny, the only one here right now. This is a big tent though, guys. Look at this. Look how big this tent is. This is a big tent. Check it out, my boy. Say what's up to the people, Dunny. He enjoying his hot chips before breakfast. And that's what you want. This side got the crispification on it. Just like that. It's beautiful French toast. Now that we got the French toast done, we're gonna have eggs 2 ways. Scrambled and over easy. SPG out here, BigSmokeysBBQ.com for your magic dust. Y'all think I'm joking about this stuff. This magic dust, it literally, it makes everything better, a whole lot better. We preheated some warm water. Pour that hot water right over. These are dried potatoes, hash browns. So you pour them over your hash browns. Just let it sit, all right? Don't pop the yolk. Pop my yolk. We're going scrambled eggs. These little containers, when you're at camp, they lifesavers. They actually work. They save a lot of lives out here. Hit it with a little magic dust. I'm sorry, that's SPG. Hit it with an SPG because I'm always thinking about my magic dust, all right? American cheese here. We're going 2 pieces of American cheese on these scrambled eggs. Just like that. Now the fire is off on these. There's enough heat left to where it's gonna cook the eggs and melt the cheese. It shouldn't be long before these are done, guys. Look here. It's just like that. That's the magic of it. Put the hot water in there. You got hash browns right here at the campsite. Of course, we can just put the hash browns on the sandwich just like that. But we're gonna put some right here on the flat top to get a little bit of the crispification on there, all right? SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. Don't forget to flavor your hash brown. Your magic dust. While the potatoes is getting the crispification on them, I got an announcement for my Jam Pack cookers. We officially have us a podcast. We talking about it now, good people. Anything you say on this channel, you can come on there and ask me whatever you want to ask me on the JPC podcast. All right? You can follow us at Anchor, ANCHOR.FM/JPC. Link to it down in the description, and I'll put it on the screen. I think it might be right here or right here, but you'll see it. Just like that. Come on in. That's what we want on this. The crispification on our hash brown. Look at this mess we have made. It's time to build it, baby. Make sure everything got some heat on it. Gonna take this guy. Put this guy here. This is gonna be the top. So you take these two. We're gonna start with the crispification of the hash browns. We're going with the beef. These are the minute steaks. Didn't take but 30 seconds on each side. Let's get you some patties on there. Some sausage patties. We're gonna go with the pork belly bacon. Oh yeah, baby. Scrambled eggs with the American cheese on it. This is the crown right here. And this is how the Jam Pack cookers and Chef Ray Mr. Money do when we at our camping site. If you like your eggs, how I like my eggs, you want to give it a little press. Ooh, just like that. You do it. Yeah, that's how we like it. Make sure you got what you need at camp, all right, good people? There it is, good people. Look at here. Layer for layer. We got it. Layer for layer. I think everybody around me likes syrup. You like syrup, Danny? All right. So, we'll get that syrup on that thing. Yes, Lord. I gotta stand up for this one. Come here. It's your big old bite. Listen, good people. I love you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. You know we always total loco when you're on Jam Pack Cooking with Chef Ray, Mr. Money. And I hope we serve you well today. Nothing short of what we do. Check this out. Don't forget to go tune in and check out our new podcast, Anchor.FM/JPC. I'll leave the link. It'll be about right here. But check this out. Give me a big old group hug right here at Jam Pack Cooking. Until next time, y'all stay jamming and cooking right here from Mr. Money, Chef Ray. Love y'all. Come on in here, give me a hug. Get on in here. Get on in here.